Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. It's me Jane Jijo and you are watching Creative Lab. Today, everyone moving around the world to grab the latest features available in a smartphone like better camera option, better gaming and multitasking etc. But have you ever thought of upgrading your existing phone to a better computer operating system? It is possible and it is true. In this video, I will show you how to turn your smartphone to a better operating system, computer operating system. Example, Windows XP. It is an interesting video and those who are interested watch the video full carefully and run the program without mistake properly. Before getting late, let's start the video. Before getting to the actual process, you have to download two files. One is Limbo 86 and next one is win95.zip. Both the files are in the description and you can download it anytime you want. So after downloading the files, just go to Limbo 86. Then it automatically starts to create a folder in the data. After doing this, just go to another file which you have already downloaded and then click the three dots, then choose open with. Now you are redirected to Zarchiver. Then you could see two files. One is w95.image and next one is xp.img. Now you have to extract xp.img to the Limbo data. So just click on it and choose extract and paste it to the Limbo data file. So I have already extracted and you could see the xp.img file here. And for you, just click over here and it will get extracted automatically. After doing so, just go again to the Limbo application and watch these steps carefully. For load machine, choose new and machine name, type XP as we are doing Windows XP today and choose none and tab back. And for architecture, choose 86, machine type PC, CPU model default, CPU cores 1, RAM memory just expand it into 512 so you will get that much space to do the activities. For storage, choose hard disk A and select open and select the file which you have already extracted in the Limbo data. The required file is xp.img. So this part is done and nothing to do over here. Just scroll down and choose landscape, language as English and full screen. Now everything is done and click on the play button to start Windows XP. Now the installation process just started. So now you can see the Windows XP professional logo. As my phone is about 1.5 GB RAM, it would take few minutes to set up, so please be patient. This is how we turn a smartphone to a smart computer, and you can do all the activities which you can do in Windows XP in the PC. These can do the features like printing, transferring files just like how PC do. Also, you does not want to carry a laptop always. You can see the mouse pointer and just wait for some time. Now the Windows started to setting up, and as you all know, you can see the opening procedure of an Windows XP here. Now we reach to the home page. Click start and go to my computer. You can see CD drive D and local disk C here. You can also get all the features like what we see in the computer. Now let's close this, and we are going for hardware installation. Click next, and the software installation gets started. You can see it is installing on the handset. Just wait for some time. Now it is successfully installed. Click finish. Now the system is ready to use. Now I will show you how to close this system. It is exactly same as how we close a computer. Click on turn off. That's all for today. You can also install Windows 7, 8 and 10 in the same process by using an image file just like an actual system. If you enjoyed the video, give a like. If you are new to my channel, just subscribe. Hit the bell icon for more creative stuff. I will catch you in the next video. Till then, peace.